problems, you can use this approach. Again, it is a 1 by 2, denominator, 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 denominator. Again, it is a decreasing series. Again, it is a decreasing series. In a decreasing series, related problems, how to get this? See here, y is equivalent to 1 by 2 plus. Assume this is not there. 1 by 2, it is 0.5. Denominator 2 plus. It is denominator increasing. Value will decrease. Value is less than 0.5. Denominator decreases, value increases. Again, it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. If it is 3, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. It is 3 by 7. Denominator by denominator. Y is greater than 3 by 7. Y is greater than 0.42. Y will lie from 0.42 to 0.5. 0.42 to 0.5. 0.42 to 0.5. Y will lie from 0.42 to 0.5. Any option which is less than 0.42 or greater than 0.5 will eliminate it. Now, you just by observation, 3 by 2 is 1.5. 1.5 plus positive. 1.5 plus positive. Answer is among these two, these right. I hope it is clear. Assume if this is not there, 1 by 2 it is positive. 1 by 2 it is 0.5. Denominator value increasing, entire fraction value decreases. Answer is less than 0.5. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. It is not there. Y is greater than 3 by 7. Y lies from 0.42 to 0.5. Root 11 lies from root 9 to root 16. It is 3 plus 11 and 9 2, 16 and 7. So these 3 2s, 7 2s are 14, 60, 3.28. 3.28 minus 3 by 2, 0.14. It is not there. So answer is option D. Answer is option D. How to find the approximate value of a non-perfect square? Root 11 lies between root 9 and root 16. It is 3 plus 11 and 9 difference 2. 16 and 9 difference 7. It is 3.28. 3.28 minus 3. 0.28 divided by 2. 0.14. That cannot be. That cannot be. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Why we should range from 0.42 to 0.5. 0.42 to 0.5. Please remember, this approximation concept is used when the series is an decreasing series. Decreasing series. Use the lower bound, use the upper bound, and then approximate the values. Last two questions are decreasing series related problems. Decreasing series related problems. Now this one. Now if you see here, R is, this question can be solved in multiple ways. Method 1. Question contains numerical values. Answer contains numerical values. Already we did this method. Question contains numerical values. Question contains numerical values. Question contains numerical values. Answer contains numerical values. Question contains numerical values. Answer contains numerical values. Substitution. Substitution. Already we discussed this method. Substitution. Substitution. Right? Now method 1 is substitution. I will do this problem in 3 methods. Method 2 is pattern identification. Method 2 is pattern recognition or pattern identification, pattern recognition. Method 3 also we will discuss. Method, first read the question. R is 30 power 65 minus 29 power 65 by 30 power 64 plus 29 power 64. Here it is 65, here it is 64. So, denominator power is just less than 1 less than numerator power. 30 cube minus 29 cube divided by 30 square plus 29 square. I am just doing with the smaller values. With the smaller values, n equivalent to 3, I kept it instead of 65. 64 is 1 less than 65. So it is 2. A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus b square plus a into b divided by 30 square plus 29 square. 30 square plus 20, it is 1 plus. So answer is greater than 1. If I separate it, 30 square plus 29 square by 30 square plus 29 square, 1 plus anything, 1 plus any value, that means it is greater than 1. 1 plus any value, it is greater than 1. Instead of, just I observed that here it is 64, here it is 65. Denominator power is 1 less than numerator power. I substituted n equivalent to 3. In fact, you don't need to do this also. Take a lower values. Instead of 30, 29, you take smaller values. This is 1 less than this one. So, 3 cube minus 2 cube by 3 square plus 2 square. So, this will be 27 minus 8, 19, 9 plus 4, 13, it is greater than 1. Take a smaller value, in fact you can save some seconds of time also. Anyway, not only with the powers relationship, even with the bases also there is 29 is 1 less than 30, 29 is 1 less than 30. This is method 2. Method 3, there is a beautiful approach. That is bottom up parsing. Please write down. Method 3, which is bottom up parsing. Which is bottom up parsing. Bottom up approach. What exactly we mean by bottom up approach? Going by the answer and checking whether the question is right or wrong. Going by the answer and checking whether the question is right or wrong. So, it is 30 power 65 minus 29 power 65 divided by 30 power 64 plus 29 power 64. If I assume that the fourth one is right, what is the fourth option? It is greater than 1. Fourth option, it is greater than 1. Check, let me check whether it is right. Cross multiply 30 power 65 minus 29 power 65 greater than 30 power 64 plus 29 power 64. 30 power 64 comes to the left hand side. 30 power 65 minus 30 power 64 greater than 29 power 64 plus 29 power 65. 30 power 64 common, it is 30 power 1 minus 1. 29 power 64 common, 1 plus 29 power 1. It is 30 power 63 greater than 29 power 63. 30 is greater than 29. Hence, it is right. Hence, it is right. This is a very beautiful approach where I am taking the fourth option and I am checking whether the question is mathematically correct or not. Question is mathematically correct or not. Greater than 30 power 65 minus 29 power 65 greater than 30 power 64 plus 29 power 64. I hope the idea it is right. Question contains numerical values, answer contains numerical values. This is the way to solve. Next,